Today I got some tapes in to transfer over to DVD for a client, and the first one I grabbed out of the box is broken. There's no tape here. So we're going to show you how to take these things apart and splice one of these compact VHS tapes. Should it need to be repaired, just undo the screws. There'll typically be probably four screws to hold the cassette together. Now the screws are different length, so make note of which screws come out from where. Typically the two shorter screws are in these holes here, and the two longer screws are in the two on the front. No, but there are going to be a couple little catches that we have to release on the back here. So we press them in, and that should allow the cassette to open up. And pop apart so that we can repair the tape that's inside here. Now remember, this is going to be a crude repair because, and they don't recommend splicing videotape because it can damage the heads on playback, but I just need to get one copy of this tape. This tape is being copied over to DVD, so I just need to be able to run it through the machine once. So I'm just going to cut off the damaged section of the tape here, and we'll get our good old cheap Scotch tape and tear off a strip of it. And we're going to put it on the back side of the tape. Attach our tail to it. Align it, press it down like that so that our tape is now stuck together. Now we need to trim off any sticky tape that's spilling over the edge. We need to trim that off, because if that goes over the heads, it's going to have a big problem. It'll first of all cause the tape to stick into the machine, and it could damage the playback machine. So we're going to trim off a little bit of the tape here. Just trim it down a bit. Yes, we're going to see this when it goes through for sure. We're going to see lines and stuff in the picture, but at least it'll allow us to play the tape back. Now I'm just going to run my finger over here, make sure that there's nothing sticky. There's no sticky parts showing, and then I can go ahead and rethread the tape. Loop it through over the guide here, like that. It goes around like this, like that. And this side goes around that piece like that, I believe. Yeah, that's correct. The tape on the take-up side goes in front of this guide and between these two. And on the supply side, it goes between the two so that it goes around like that. And then we can just pull the tape back into the cassette like that. Open up our lid and just drop our lid back over top. It will snap together like that. And then we can put the screws back in. Just open the cassette and verify that the tape is okay, and our ratchet works. If I press the little button on the bottom here, see that spring holds the ratchet down for the reel lock. When you put the tape into the adapter, it presses up on the bottom through that pin, an alignment pin, and that frees up the reel so that it can move. Now there is still some damage on this tape, but let's let's put this tape into the cassette adapter. And close up the cassette adapter. And that threads the tape, as you can see. The cassette adapter now pulls the tape out of the cassette, and now it's ready to go. So here we go, we'll just load the cassette. And now we can check it out and make sure that it plays. So let's play it and see the splice go over. I'm going to have to rewind this tape here, and then I can transfer this over for my client. So there's nothing really, anything personal here. I think I can probably show you that this splice should go through okay. And I don't think I have to worry too much about someone being upset about me showing a tractor off their home videotapes. But that damaged section should be coming through. Here we go. Here's the damaged section going through now. Unfortunately, I can't do anything about that, although I should be able to remove it from the tape. And this might even be the end of the tape, to tell you the truth, because it may have jammed in the camera when they were filming it and broke. And that may very well be the end of the recording. And the tape picks up again here. So there we go. It's that's the damaged section. When I'm dumping this over to DVD, I'll just cut out that section of the tape that is damaged, and they'll never even know it. That's how you fix a broken VHS C tape. Have a good day.